I shall.
Yes, I will behave better next time. You dash be ashamed of yourself. You dash be.
Should.
You should be. Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Next.
Should. You should not lie.
Should.
Yes, you should not lie.
Should not lie.
You should not lie. Next one.
I will call
I
your
will
parents
call your
today.
parents.
I will call your parents today.
Yes, I will call. I will call your parents today.
You should try.
You should try to lose weight. You should.
Yes, you should.
You
Next.
should be.
Ma'am, you should be promoted to the next rank if you succeed.
I dash never go to Chennai. I will never. I will never go to Chennai. Next one. Children, try the next one.
You should do.
This is 8. This is 8. Will is 8. Okay. Tell me the 7th one. Tell me the 7th one.
You will be. You should. You should be promoted.
You will be. You will be. You will be promoted to
the next
yes.
rank if you succeed.
Yes, you will be promoted. You will be promoted. Yes, you will be. Next. You should try to lose weight.
I will never go to Chennai. You should do as you are told.
Yes, you should do. Yes. Next.
I will.
I will.
Yes, I will certainly help you. Next one.
You should apologize.
You should apologize
For your behavior.
Yes, you should apologize for your behavior. Next.
Ma'am,
Would you like me to switch on the air conditioner?
Very good. Very good. Would you like? Very good. Absolutely correct. Would you like? I think you all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can see here, now learn some more models like must express necessity or obligation. When there is any necessity, we must reach on time. Then we are using must. We can express fixed determination. I must be allowed to express my wish. We can express possibility, for example, he must be on his way to the school by now. Ought to expresses moral obligation and desire ability. Ought to is always followed by to plus verb. For example, we ought to put in our best effort. We ought to win. It can be used to indicate present or future time. For example, I ought to apologize to him. Okay. So ought to means when you are saying any moral obligation or desirability. When you are saying necessity, then we are using must. Indicate discontinued. You are not doing right now. Okay. Used to means a discontinued habit. Like I used to bicycle. I used to go cycling. It means I am not doing it currently, but I used to. Okay. I used to visit my village, but now I'm not going anywhere. Okay. So that's why we are using used to when we are talking about any past habit. I used to swim a lot for 2 hours, but now I'm not doing that same thing. Okay. Then need denotes necessity or obligation. When we are talking about necessity or obligation, like we need to visit the place once, it means we are showing that there is any necessity. Okay. Then need as a finite verb means want or require. He doesn't need your money. Dare means to be bold enough. How dare you argue with me? I don't dare compete with him. So when you are bold enough, you use dare. and dare is commonly used in interrogative and negative sentences. Now fill in the blanks with ought, need, must, or may. Dash you enjoy a prosperous life. When you are giving a blessing, you are
May.
using may. Very good. May.
May you enjoy.
Yes. May you enjoy. Write down, children, may. May you enjoy. May you enjoy. Next, children.
We must obey the rules.
Yes, we
We
must
must
obey the rules. So it is necessity that we have to do this thing. We must obey the rules. Next,
It may rain this evening.
it may rain.
Ma'am,
It may rain this evening. I dash to complete this task today.
I need to complete.
I need to complete this task today.
I need to complete this task today.
We must be careful.
We must be careful.
Absolutely right.
We must be careful.
Yes, Vita. I dash to reach the airport by 6 a.m.
Ma'am, I must.
I need to, because with must we are not putting to. Okay, I need to reach or I ought to reach, both are right. You can write ought to also, you can write need to also, both you can write. Okay, both are correct over here. You can use need also, you can use ought here, because we are showing a necessity, like we need to go. Okay, we want or require something, then we are using need or ought to. The next one is
He must reach his new office on time.
Children, listen. We are using may when we are using any possibility, or for any blessings we are giving, then we are using may. But you just see here that it is formal. He must reach his new office on time when he has opened a new when he has joined a new office. So it is necessary to go on time. So here must will come. Okay, he must reach his new office on time. Okay. Next one. Tell me the next one.
He must be.
Now here you are making a possibility. Okay. He may be. You are guessing.
On Parliament by now.
Yes, beta, you are guessing here that he may be on his way to the parliament by now, but you are not sure. When you are not sure, you are making any possibility. You are just guessing, then we are using may. Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now choose the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. You have to choose the correct alternative. Fine. Dash to like another cup of coffee.
Would you like? Would you like another?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Would you like? When we are making any polite request, we are using would. Would you like?
Karthik used to play.
Karthik used to play.
Okay. Used to play. Absolutely correct. Because here we are talking about his habit. Used to play football before he took up rugby. Because it is showing us that took up, now it is past tense. Fine. That he used to play football before he took up rugby. Now he was playing rugby. Okay. And before rugby, he was playing football.
Ma'am, could you show me?
Wait, beta. Wait. Let me share the next page. Okay.
Match the pictures.
Ma'am, someone joined the name of assessment.
Beta, I know. Okay. Don't tell me.
Match the pictures with the words.
Have you done, children? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for a second. Wait for a second.
Okay, tell me the answer. What is the first picture?
Mute yourself from where the noise is coming. Mute yourself, better.
Bad. Bed. Next page. Net. After that. Don't take it from me. Not as.
May or might or could. Could you show me the way to the nearest post office?
Ma'am,
What you are going to say?
Ma'am, could you? Ma'am,
Yes.
could you? Ma'am,
Could you
could
show?
you? Could you show me the
Yes.
way? Ma'am, because there is a question mark also. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, could you show me?
Okay, great. Now,
Better mute yourself from where the noise is coming. Just mute yourself.
the upper one
Trying to get this smell.
of the baby. Can you see the baby and the dog? Right.
Next one, children.
Ma'am,
There is
could be.
another one.
Ma'am,
He said he
could
has.
be. Could be. Could be. Could be. Ma'am, could be. Next month. He said
He would be. He would be. He would be. Would will come.
good.
Oh, that's good.
He would be.
What was
But I want you to mute yourself from where this noise is coming.
yeah, do that?
He would be. Next, beta.
He might. Ma'am, might. I was afraid that he might turn down my offer. He might turn down my offer.
Yes, he might turn down my offer when there is a least possibility. We are using might. That you are not sure. He might put down your offer. Okay.
You should
Next
take
one.
a metro. You should take a metro.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Here you are giving.
take the metro.
Yes. Here you are giving advice. So we will use should.
Should.
Next, my teacher said you
Ma'am,
dash.
You may. You may. You may use my telephone whenever.
Yes, you may. May you are here. You are giving some permission. Okay. You may use. You may use my telephone whenever you need to. Okay. I ran as fast as my legs.
Can carry me.
Yes.
Can
carry. Yes.
Can.
I don't think we dash execute
may.
this plan.
Ma'am, we should.
Ma'am,
May. Ma'am, we should. May. Ma'am, we may.
Ma'am, we would. We
Ma'am, we
should.
would. Ma'am, we
Beta,
would.
may, listen, what is the difference between may and should? Here you are saying that we should, that we will have to do. May, when you are asking any possibility, when you are talking about any possibility, when you are giving any blessing, or when you are asking any permission. Okay, then we are using may for formal. And should, you can see here, I don't think we should execute this plan. Here you are giving suggestion. When you are giving suggestion, you are using should. Okay. Dash, I borrow your pen. Here you are requesting.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow?
Because you are talking to your friend. Yes. Can I borrow your pen? It means you are talking to your friend. So with so with friends we are using can, but in formal we are using may. Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one.